संसारदावा नलितलोका त्रणाय कारुण्यघनघनत्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यं वन्दे गुरुश्रीचरणारविन्दम् महाप्रभुकीर्तनृत्यगीतां वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकाम्पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजुं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् चतुर्विधाश्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादान्नतृप्तां हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायोर्माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नं प्रतीक्षणास्वाधनलोलुपस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् निकुञ्जयो नो रतिकेलिसिद्धये यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयं तत्रातिदक्ष्याततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् साक्षात् हरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे युक्तस्तदा भव्यतेन सद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूय प्रियैव तस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् यस्य प्रसादो भगवत्प्रसादं यस्य प्रसादो न गति कुतोऽपि ध्यायं तु वां तस्य यस्य त्रिसन्ध्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणारविन्दम् Shri Guru Sadhguru is like an auspicious cloud giving us cooling showers of Krishna. Krishna present in the Nama and the Lord present in Shri Vigraha, the Lord that is present everywhere in the heart of all living entities. Shri Guru gives the darshan of this Bhagavan. He gives the darshan of this Bhagavan. He places us in the world of this Bhagavan. Krishna Samsara engages us in the seva of this Bhagavan. Because Sadhguru is always in this world of Krishna. He's relishing every moment. The Nama Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. The Bhakti Aswadana, Sevananda to Bhagavan. So, for a devotee, for us who are dependent on Guru and Nama, this is the very world. We don't have a different world. So, Shri Guru, Sadhguru is Radhika Presaki and he has come down as Krishna, Kripa Shri Murti, mercy personified, gave us this Nama. And the Sambandha to Bhagavan. And he is Ashrayadatta, always giving the shelter. Shelter placed us at the lotus feet of Bhagavan. So, in this way, the mercy of Bhagavan, like the mercy of sun is coming in the form of sun rays. The mercy of Bhagavan is coming in the form of Acharya Bhagavan, Sadhguru. Giving us Ashraya, giving us Sambandha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuyi Savadhana Mate Jaharam Prasade Bhai Bhavatoriya Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite. Krishna Prapti should happen. Shri Guru is with Bhagavan. Namarupa Leela, Guna Leela of Bhagavan. The very same Krishna Prapti, Namarupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan happens through Shri Guru, through Shri Nama. Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chittate Koriaikyam Arana Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamangati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham. The instruction of Sadhguru and the seva that's given by Sadhguru picks us up from the modes. There is nothing in the world that can pick up the jiva from the muck of modes. Nothing. Only the instruction that's coming from the Sandhini Shakti and the seva that's given by Sandhini Shakti. It is the same instruction and seva takes the jiva further until it gets the spiritual form, Adhyatmika Shakti, through the nama that's given by him. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हा प्रभु कोरो दयां देहो मोरे पादचयम् एबिजाश कुशु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपादं जय प्रभुपादं जय प्रभुपादं श्रील प्रभुपादं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev ch patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like a desire-fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Bhagavan. Taking the dust and bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, all the living entities, to the Lord that's present in the heart of all living entities, the Vaishnavas. Taking the dust from their lotus feet and smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra prana mora yugala kishora Vrindaya Tulasi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Krishna Bhakti Hoi Jaha Hoi Te. So Sadhu Guru with his Vani, with his Seva, he purifies us, and with the Nama he brings us to the groves of Vrindavana. With purified heart, there's entry into these groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, when the heart is completely purified, becoming nirmala, so purified that it is filled only with the purest of the pure. Krishna, 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 Krishna. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pao. Ei Abhilashi, e tomara sharanaloi, taravancha purna hoi, kripa kori koro tare vrindavana vasi. Moraye Abhilash, Vilas kunja diyovas nayane haribo sadam yugalaruparasim. Eini vedana dharom sakhiranugata korom sevadhikaro diyam koroni chadasim. Dina Krishna dase hoy eyena mora hoy Shri Radha Govinda premam sadayena basim. See, Arjuna saw that Vishwarupam and he offered the prayers from all directions. Krishna Dasa, Dina Krishna Dasa, he in his a spiritual form, he is offering praise to Tulsi Devi, seeing the form of the Lord. The spiritual transcendental form of the Lord is seen with the transcendental form, spiritual form of the devotee. And these are the prayers of the spiritual body of the Jiva. Arjuna's prayers to Vishwarupam was a praise from a material body to the Vishwarupa of the Lord. As much as that Vishwarupa was real when the Pradhan turns to Prakriti, when the material existence is manifested, so much is this transcendental form real, much more than the material form. This transcendental form is real. This spiritual body is real. The experience of the spiritual body, experience of Bhagavan is real. Everything about Bhagavan is real.